Hello world, Geriatric Geek here. How in the heck are you? I hope you're doing great. It's a beautiful morning here in North Las Vegas. It's going to be hot today. Today's Tuesday. It's going to be, I think about 97, 98 today. So tomorrow's supposed to hit the century mark, 100 degrees. It would be the earliest we've ever hit 100 ever if it hits 100 tomorrow. So keep our fingers crossed. Maybe we won't be record breaking. Let's see. So, as you know already, as you've seen in the description, we've got BAM boxes. We've got both the horror and the culture, pop culture box here, and the big box. I'm excited. BAMers, let's check out what they've sent the old Geriatric Geek today. Let's check it out. Got this BAM pop box open. Pop culture. I keep saying that. Oh. So nowadays they put that sheet over so you can't see. There's that. Ah, cool. I've been leveled up. That means I got something that's a little more hard to get, evidently. BAM Pop Culture Artist Select Card. Congratulations. This is an authentic BAM fan art card featuring a unique sketch from one of our featured artists. This is part of a set of 2 and a bigger set of 12. Collect both cards to make the set. Artist is Hal Moore. Oh, alright. Little, look like almost a zombie. I don't know what that is. Batman with Joker doing the thing. Alright. Here's the back. Nice artwork there. Alright. We have a pen. BAM Pop Culture. There you go. Nice. I'm not gonna lie, I can't remember what this duck is from. Help me out down below, guys. I'm having a brain fart here. For some reason I cannot remember that. Maybe I can find it on my phone real quick. Let's see. So this is supposed to be, they're doing all their cheat sheets online nowadays. This is a fan art pen and it says, BAM creator Adam is absolutely in love with tikis. He has been giving them out on our live videos and collecting them. So we couldn't resist but make some of our favorite afternoon cartoon characters into tikis. Make sure you look for the pens numbered out of 250 and 99. Okay. 250 and 99. Alright, oh, so you know, this is Volume 5, Box 3. So this is March's box, evidently. March's. I still don't know that duck's name, man. Help me out. Alright, we have a movie prop, it looks like. Spaceballs, the cereal. Spaceballs, the cereal. It's actual, well, it's not an actual box, but it is kind of cool. $1 off Spaceballs. So movie prop. What's it say about that? It says, from the scene featuring the icon Mel Brooks in one of the best spook movies ever made comes Spaceballs, the cereal. Great job from prop maker Lee King. Alright. Of course we have fan art. And here's the little thing where you can go and see what's in the box if you guys are interested. So we have fan art. We're excited to have the first time artist Mike Flynn, his unique movie poster style for Kong is killer. Look for variants numbered out of 550. Okay, which is this? This is out of 2,000. 288 out of 2,000. Kong versus Godzilla. Crashing into your theater this summer. Kong. I love me some King Kong. Cool. And lastly, we have our celebrity autograph, which you guys see first. Alright, I can tell right now that's from Fast Times at Ridgemont High. Looks like we have Amanda Weiss, who played Lisa in the movie. Amanda Weiss. This is 91 out of 99. Okay. 91 out of 99. Amanda Weiss. Did you guys like Fast Times? I enjoyed the heck out of it. It's a good movie. There's a certificate of authenticity. Nice. Jimmy Buffett. Music. Cool. There you go. So that's the pop culture box for March 2020. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Alright, so let's get into the horror box. Of course, they've still got the paper on the front. Let's check this out. Okay. We shall see. We got leveled up again, apparently. One of the items in your box is a variant. And they've been throwing these in. I didn't have one, that pop culture one, but they've been throwing these match 3 and win giveaways. And I did win one of those a couple months back. I didn't show you guys me scratching them off, so that takes too long. But anyway, alright, right on the top we have a prop replica, evidently. A videotape that says, "Watch me." I don't think so. We thought you would really enjoy this prop. Once you watch it, the countdown begins. Just remember you have 1 week. Very good. You guys guess, what movie is that from? Do you remember? Do you remember? Bam, okay, here we go. Fan art pen. Everyone's favorite slasher from the lake gets a cool set that makes you want to collect each one. Make sure to look for the pens numbered out of 250 and 99. This pen has a limited release. There he is. I do not know. I can't tell what number that is. Who did that? I can't tell. That's a cool pen though. Nice. And the fan art. Artist Select card, it's called. Artist Hal Moore is taking the next round of Artist Select cards, bringing Halloween to the battle cards. Get box number 4 to find out, and look for the variant foil card numbered out of only 100. Alright. This one is not that one. This is out of 2,500. Dang, that's a lot of cards. Very nice. Alright, let's check this out. This should be, yes, this is the fan art. 172 out of 500. Fan art print. Oh, we got some Old schoolers. Old school. Ken Heiser finished out his 3-piece fan art print this box. Make sure you get all 3 for the full effect. Plus, look for the level up variant. I suspect this is the level up variant. Yeah, probably so. Very nice. Alright, so what we've all waited for is the autograph, right? Who we got? The Rocky Horror Picture Show. Crazy, but a good flick. Good flick. We are thrilled to have the legendary Barry Bostwick in this month's horror box. You will remember him as Brad Majors in the Rocky Horror Picture Show. Brad Majors. There's our certificate of authenticity. Alright. Very nice. So you guys are into autographs. You know, you have to consider getting this box. They really come up with some good artists, some good celebrities. So I'm happy. I'm happy with that. There we go. That's the BAM horror box for, I believe, March. So last but not least is the big box. Can't show you the top because my address is on there and I don't want to get any unsolicited mail. It says fragile, handle with care. I got this thing taped down though. Really taped down. Should have done this before, but I didn't notice. Sorry. So once you cut the tape, then you open up the box. That's what you got to see. Absolutely nothing but a piece of paper. Tissue paper. Something wrapped up. We have something from Aliens. Millions of unusual small creatures lurking everywhere. From Super 7. We got the little muscle figures. That's kind of cool. Huh? Kind of cool. Evidently there's quite the series. That's all the ones you can collect. Yeah, very nice. Okay, something wrapped up here. It's a pin, 2 pins. Oh, very good. BAM big box. Looks like we got a stormtrooper of some sort there. I like it. Collectible enamel pen. Once these pins have been made, they are vaulted and never made again. Okay, and then we have the child from the new Disney series, Star Wars series, Mandalorian, the child. Can't wait to watch some more of that. Alright, I think we got, I'm not sure what we got here, but we shall see. Let's see, 102 out of 350. We got Groot. We got the rest of the gang. BAM Authentic. The fan art print from our fan art collection is exclusive to the BAM box, hand signed by the artist. Okay. To be honest, I don't have any idea who the artist is because they don't put those in the boxes anymore. But that is kind of cool. Rocky, I mean, got them all in there. Very good. Very nice. You got a piece of cardboard. And then we have the celebrity autograph, I do believe. Oh, nice. Nice. Look at that, guys. Can you see? It's really bad glare, sorry. But you can see, I think that's Snoke, maybe? Yeah. Corresponding signed item has been subjected to examination by an expert from Beckett Authentication and has been deemed authentic and genuine. This authentication can be verified by visiting Beckett blah blah blah, certification serial number T11945. Alright. I'm stupid, I know. I'm not stupid, but ignorant of this right now. I don't know who that is. I mean, who the autograph is by. Who played oh, golly, what brain fart heaven today. Who played this guy? That's what I want to know. It's not Snoke. I don't know. I'm really mad that they don't put who the heck these people are in these boxes anymore. Because, you know, when you get old, you can't remember that stuff. But anyway, I'm sure you guys will help me out down below. Very nice. I'm excited to have this, although I have no idea who played that character. Let me know. I know that's underwhelming, guys, but you'll know. You'll call me an idiot, and that's fine. If you enjoyed this video, if you'd like to get one of these boxes, like I said, I'll leave a link. And obviously there's some really good stuff in here. So good autographs, good fan art, good pins. So like I said, link below. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoy these videos, or enjoy laughing at the Geriatric Geek, and subscribe. Like I said, really cool stuff. Let me know down below if you enjoyed. Anyway, it's going to be a hot one today. You guys stay safe out there. Be careful. Until next time, peace.